There are a lot of potential reasons why you might be experiencing trouble with your Philo, and then you run into issues streaming it. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix Philo on your JVC Smart TV. Let's see if we can fix your problems and get your Philo back up and running as quickly as possible. The first one, it's the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you do this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If it fixes it, great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Try deleting Philo. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall Philo app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all of your credentials, but hopefully this will work. And if that doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick, Fire Stick, or Apple TV 4K. And plug that into your TV and use that as your main streaming player. And you'll be able to access Philo that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.